In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform your standard titles into stunning curved typography using Adobe Express. Whether you're working on a professional logo or a fun social media post, curving your text is a fantastic way to add visual interest and a professional touch to your layout. To get started, you need to have your project open on the canvas. Simply click on the text box you want to modify so that it is highlighted. Once you have selected your text, look over at the Properties panel located on the left side of your screen. You will notice several tabs at the top of this panel, but for this specific adjustment, you need to click on the one labeled Effects. Within the Effects menu, you will see a variety of styling options like shadows and outlines. Scroll down past those until you find the toggle switch for curved text. Go ahead and flip that toggle to the on position to see your text instantly wrap into a new shape. Right below that toggle, you will find 3 distinct layout styles to choose from depending on the look you want to achieve. You can select Circle for a full wrap around effect, Arch for a subtle bend at the top or bottom, or Wave if you want to give your words a more rhythmic and flowing feel. After you have picked your preferred style, take a look at the curvature slider sitting directly underneath those icons. This slider is where the magic happens because it allows you to control exactly how drastically the text bends. You can slide it to the right to increase the arc or move it back to the left for a more gentle curve. You can even drag it into negative values to curve your text in the opposite direction. Take some time to play around with these settings until the shape fits perfectly within your overall design. Now that you know how to master the curve tool, your creative possibilities are truly endless. Thank you so much for watching and happy designing.